How to change your destination on Uber. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy, and in today's guide video I'll simply show you how you can change your destination in Uber. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. Now let's say that you're riding in an Uber to meet a date at that hot new Thai restaurant in Midtown, when instead you suddenly decide to break up with them and hop on a plane to Portugal. Now before you get to Lisbon, you'll need to get to the airport, which means changing the destination of your Uber trip. Now unfortunately, Uber makes it easy for passengers or drivers to change the destination of a trip at any time before the trip has ended, with multi-destination shared pool rides being the only exception. Those you'll have to ride out or bail on early. And here's how to change your Uber destination during a ride. To change your destination on Uber, open the Uber app on the iPhone or Android and tap on the destination bar. Now simply, you have to type in the new destination during the ride and then confirm it. Once you do that, you would have successfully changed your destination on Uber. That's all it takes to change destination in Uber. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.